Hi, Jefferson students. It's Miss Medkey, and I have some exciting news for you. Fuel Up to Blaze 60 is back and ready to go. So for some of you who might have forgotten, Fuel Up to Blaze 60 is when some students and myself are working in the school to keep everyone healthy and active. And today, I'm here to give you your first challenge. Are you ready? Going home in your Friday folders this week is a letter with a recipe for a ranch yogurt dip that you can eat with veggies and even some crackers. So, what I want you to do, your challenge of spring break, take a picture of yourself making it or eating it and be entered in to win a prize. How cool is that? Send your pictures to me, Miss Medkey, at medkeyj@mpsc.school by Friday, April 9th. The winner will be shown and told on announcements on Monday, April 12th. 5 students can win, so get yourself entered by sending me a picture. Happy cooking! Good luck!